Your industrial goods get stuck in customs because of an approval permit from SIRIM. In this video, I walk you through every step to get your permit approved so your shipment moves without delay. It is a simple and fast process, but if you are doing this for the first time, be prepared for up to 2 weeks to get everything approved. I'm the digital avatar of Ayah Jacky Lim. He is a professional engineer and has been in the industry for over 20 years. While Jacky is busy working on the ground, he created me to deliver the practical guidance he experienced himself. In my work, we import industrial cameras and components with network functionality regularly. I want to share the exact process so your team knows what to prepare before your next shipment arrives at the Malaysian port. There are 2 platforms involved, and you must complete both in order. The first is SIRIM e-ComM at SIRIM website. This is where you register your company and apply for product approval. The second is the Dagangnet e-permit system at their website. This is where you apply for the actual import permit after SIRIM approves your application. Both steps are required. You cannot skip either one. I will walk through each platform one at a time. Step 1 is to register your company at SIRIM e-ComM. Go to e-ComM SIRIM. Mine click company under sign up as a new user. Use your registration of company or business number as your temporary login ID. Click check availability to confirm the ID is not already taken. Fill in your contact person name, security question, and correspondence email. This email is important because SIRIM will send all notifications and approval confirmations here. Click next and complete the company information tab with your full company address and contact details. Under the supporting document tab, attach 2 items. First, the authentication form. Download it directly from the system, get 2 signatures at the behalf and witness fields, write the names below each signature, and stamp with your company chop showing the full address. Then upload the signed form back into the system. Second, attach a copy of your company registration, either Form 9 or Form 13. Once both documents are uploaded, go to the Declaration tab, tick the Declare checkbox, and click Submit. SIRIM will review your registration and send the approval link to your correspondence email. After your registration is approved, SIRIM will issue a quotation for an annual commitment fee of 50. Go to the central payment menu inside your e-ComM account. Click Online Payment, select the quotation for the commitment fee, and pay using FPX or credit card. Pay this within the time stated in the quotation. If you miss the deadline, your account access will be restricted until payment is made. Step 2 is to apply for product approval. Log into your e-ComM account and click IT Networking under Certification Application. Click New IT Networking Form. First, save your applicant information by clicking Save at the form. Then go to the Product tab. Select your purpose of importation. Choose Sales if you are importing for resale to your customers. Choose Company if the equipment is for your own internal use. Under Category, search for your product model if it already exists in the system, or click Add New Product to enter the details manually. For an industrial camera, select IT Networking Product as the category. Fill in the product name, model, and brand exactly as shown on your supplier invoice. Go to the Document tab and attach 2 mandatory documents marked with a red asterisk. The first is the technical specification or product brochure from your supplier. The second is a copy of your purchase invoice or pro forma invoice. After attaching both documents, go to the Declaration tab, tick the Declare checkbox, and click Submit. This is the step many first-time applicants do not expect. After SIRIM reviews and approves your application, the status in your application list will change to awaiting payment. You must now make the second payment at SIRIM. Go to the central payment menu, click Online Payment, select the quotation for your application, and complete the FPX payment. The application fee is $50 per application plus 8% SST, making a total of 54 POS. Only after this payment does SIRIM issue your SQASI file number. The SQASI number format looks like SQASI auth followed by the year and a 6-digit number. Write this number down carefully. You will need it at Dagangnet. The SIRIM part is completed. Next step is to set up your account at the Dagangnet e-permit system. Go to this website. If your company is registering for the first time, contact Dagangnet at this email or call them to set up your company account. Dagangnet will create 2 user accounts for your company. One is the admin ID for account management. The other is the trader ID for permit applications. Always use the trader ID when applying for permits. Also note that Dagangnet charges a recurring service fee to maintain your account. Pay this on time or your account will be suspended and a reactivation fee will apply. Log in with your trader ID and click apply. Select import permit and click select. Fill in the consignor details, which is your overseas supplier information. Fill in the consignee details, which is your company in Malaysia. Under OJ name, select SIRIM QAS International. Select your branch, in my case is Shah Alam, Selangor. Fill in the mode of transport, purpose, country of origin, and customs station. Under additional details, set product declaration to communication product. Set permit category to IT networking product. Click save and then click next to proceed to the import item section. Click add to open the import item entry. Click search next to the tariff code field to find the correct code for your product. For an industrial camera, search under tariff code 8525. Select the matching product code from the list, enter the tariff quantity, unit of measurement, and the CIF value in ringgit. In the file number field, enter your SQASI number from SIRIM. Click Save to add the item, tick the client declaration checkbox, and click Submit to OGA to send your application for approval. After you submit to OGA, your application status will show as awaiting OGA approval. Once approved, the status will change to Initiate Payment. Go to the Payment Instruction menu inside Dagangnet. You will see a payment row for the permit processing fee of RM20 per application, payable to SIRIM QAS International, plus a small online transaction fee of R1s. Click Make Payment, select your bank via FPX, log in to your bank portal, and confirm the payment. Once payment is completed, your permit status will update to payment completed. After payment is completed, your permit status will update from payment updated to approved by OGA. Once approved, click on your application ID to open the full permit record. You will see the approved permit number, effective date, and expiry date. Click Print Permit to download your import permit document. Present this to customs when your shipment arrives in Malaysia and your goods will be cleared for release. Before you start this whole process, here is a summary of all the costs so you can budget properly. At SIRIM e-ComM, you pay a 50 per year for your account commitment fee, not including SST. For each IT networking application approved, you pay another $50 as the application processing fee. At Dagangnet, there is a recurring service subscription fee, billed separately to keep your account active at $20. For each import permit application, you pay $20 as the permit processing fee plus RM1 online transaction fee, both payable to SIRIM QAS International through the Dagangnet payment system. Jacky reads every single comment. Have you applied for a SIRIM approval permit before? Did you get stuck at any step along the way? Share your experience in the comments below. See you in the next video. If you found this video useful, support my work by hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Your support helps me keep going.